How to get Aurora Orbs in Palmon Survival. So there are some passes in the shop you could use to get somewhat daily amounts of Aurora Orbs. You can go ahead and take a look at those first, but one of the main ways you can get these is directly in your guild shop and your VIP shop. So and just go ahead and enter your guild shop, and as you can see, you're gonna need 5,000 amity in order to get a single Aurora Orb, and you will only be able to get 10. It does refresh though, so you can just wait for it to happen again. But if you want to get more amenity, you can get it by donating to Guild Techs, which is directly here. Go to your Guild Tech and just donate to whichever Guild Tech that is going on. Another area you can get these Aurora Orbs is directly inside the VIP shop, but it does require you to be level 8. As you can see, you can get a specific amount as well with gems, I suppose. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you want to get Aurora Orbs in Palmon Survival. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.